Never.
You know? So why would you drive the wrong way of the road if you already know?
Someone you can point to.
Put on your back window for me. You okay?
Yeah.
Do you have your license, registration, insurance?
Actually, my girl has it in her car and she went to her mom's. I kid you not, sir.
Okay, so do you have a driver's license?
Yeah, I do.
Do you have a registration and insurance? Whose car is this?
It's mine.
Good. Is your license valid?
Yeah.
Have you been drinking or anything tonight?
No, I swear to
Alcohol,
God,
narcotics, nothing like that?
No, I swear to God, I have not.
Where are you from?
I live in,
The roads are pretty much similar like this, right? Why'd you turn left? You just trying to catch time, or what are you doing?
I was just trying to catch the light. I'm so sorry.
Because not only you're trying to catch the light, you almost made a U-turn, then you're going to go eastbound in the westbound lanes. No, you're just trying to catch the light and come around quick like that?
Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense. What's your name, partner?
My name?
Yeah. What is it again? I thought you said the car is not in your name.
Q92.
No, the car's in my name.
Good. I thought you said it was in your mom's name.
So you're just
No, it's my name.
Just give me 1 second. What'd you say it is in your name?
It's registered under me and everything.
Looking for your insurance?
I have my insurance in my phone, actually. Can I put you in my pocket, please?
Huh? Yeah. You have no weapons or anything I should know about? Can you roll down your passenger window too while you're doing that for my partner? Thank you. Can't you good?
The registered owner has 1035 and FDIC for domestic strangulation and tampering with a victim.
26. Sir, while we're doing this, just do me one favor. Go ahead and step out of the car for me.
For what?
Step out of the car for me.
For what?
You have a warrant. Step out of the car. Don't do anything stupid. Step out.
All right.
Step out.